Yeah, you did.
Yeah. Remember that trampoline?
Hey, big bouncer.
No, that kind of like
Hey, big bouncer.
It was the same like bungee like you.
a gymnastics is fun.
Do you guys get to do that very much?
No, only one.
Did you ever do it, Sophia? No.
Hello.
Never?
We're
Never?
gonna have you do it, so if you don't like it.
Oh, there's a big bouncer over there. Oh, you're bouncing.
Sure.
Woo, you're really bouncing, aren't you? Oh, look at
How
you.
long have you been kids?
Bouncer.
A little bit.
Split? Okay,
I like my tummy.
You're making a funny face. Big bouncy. Big bouncy. All of us hang out here and Jen's over there working. Where's Mama? Oh, I don't know. Here comes Mama.
Maybe we should turn the light on in there.
Okay.
that's a good idea.
Hey Mama, what do you have to say for yourself?
What is my baby doing in the toilet?
Hey, toilet girl.
She's not in the toilet.
Get out of the toilet.
That's another way to get them potty trained all the time.
Hey, spinner. Spin around.
Hey, Gracie.
Woo, there you go.